Welcome to Crash Cases, where motion meets fate and every second demands a choice. Here, metal bends, glass shatters, and silence speaks louder than impact. Each story reminds us how fragile control can be. Watch closely, breathe steady, and remember, the road never forgives distraction. Truck crashed into a gas station and the suspect removed the license plate before fleeing. Running won't erase danger. Drive responsibly and face the truth. Car crashed into a gas station while fleeing police, sparking a fire. Fortunately, everyone is safe. Reckless escape risks lives. Stop before disaster strikes.
Oh my God!
Chinese female driver crashed her rented Ferrari into a divider just minutes after driving off. Show-off speed ends in chaos. Drive smart, not proud. Tragic crash at a toll station believed caused by speeding toward the exit. Slow down haste on the road turns moments into disaster.
Meu Deus do céu, desgraçado! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí!
Car collided with a train at a crossing, reportedly due to brake failure. Machines can fail. Anticipation and caution save lives. Serious crash involving 4 cars as a Ford Fiesta lost control, crossed the divider, and hit another vehicle. 2 more collided after. Stay alert, one mistake can multiply fast. Car sped into a curve, veered off the grass, and hit a truck ahead. The truck driver couldn't avoid it. Slow before turns, speed hides danger. It appears the car lost control, leading to the crash. A split-second slip can cause chaos. Control your speed and stay focused. Crash at an intersection. A white Lexus sedan sped through and hit a gray pickup turning left. Speeding steals control. Slow down at crossings. At a curve, two trucks collided on the slippery road. Corners demand caution. Slow down control keeps you safe. Shocking moment shows a car flying into the air and crashing into a roadside house. Speed turns deadly. In a blink, stay alert and stay safe. Behind every crash lies a chain of moments, hesitation, pressure, pride, unraveling in an instant. These aren't just wrecks, they're reflections of our own habits behind the wheel. Let them echo, let them teach. Drive with awareness, not adrenaline. Every decision shapes a future. Stay vigilant, stay alive. If this moved you, share and subscribe to Crash Cases.